This is Anna's favorite track set. She's ready to build a big run today, and she's feeling proud already.
Okay, I'm gonna make it really tall today. Please stay up. This part goes here, yeah. I want the ball to go fast, then slow, then boom, right into the dominoes. Look at this ball. It's so smooth. When it rolls, it sounds like tick, tick, tick. I love that sound. Careful, 1, 2, 3. If I move too much, it'll fall. I'm being super gentle right now. Whoa! Anna, is that your ball run? Can I play too? I want to make it go really, really fast. Tom, wait. I'm still building. If you touch it now, it'll fall, and I'll get really mad. Watch for a minute. But I don't want to just watch. Watching is boring. I can be careful, I promise. Please, let me try one thing. No, Tom, not yet. I worked hard on this. If you mess it up, you'll be upset, I'll be upset, and Mom's gonna get mad. Okay, then I'll just stand here. I'm not touching. I'm only looking. See? My hands are up. I'm not touching. I'm not touching. I'm just really close.
It's hard not to touch it.
Stop! You're too close. Back up right now. Seriously, you're gonna ruin it. Hey! Don't push me! That hurt! You always act like it's all yours. I want to turn. Give it back. That's mine. No. I want it now. You're being mean. Oh, no. It fell. Tom, look. I was almost done. Stop grabbing. You can't just take stuff. If you ask and wait, you can play. Now you ruined it. I hate this. It's not fair. You never share. I just wanted one turn.
Now the room is a mess. Both kids are upset, and the fun is gone in seconds.
What is going on in here? I can hear you from the kitchen. Why are we yelling like this?
He grabbed the ball and knocked over my dominoes. I told him to wait.
I see toys everywhere, and I hear you two fighting. I'm trying to stay calm right now.
Mom is in a volcano mode. You can almost see the steam coming out. The kids know that look.
Stop, both of you. No more grabbing, no more yelling. Eyes on me, right now.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to play. I'm sorry too, I didn't want it to break.
Okay, big breath. I'm gonna stay calm. I'm not gonna yell. We can fix this together, okay? Anna, you rebuild the domino line. Tom, you help by hanging pieces. No grabbing. We're doing this together.
Okay, Tom, don't bump the floor. I'm putting them close. If you move too fast, it'll fall again. Mom, can I drop the ball first? I can do it gently. I'll be careful, I promise.
You can go first, but wait for my count. 1, 2, then let go. No shoving.
Okay, I'm doing it. Go, ball, go. Please don't crash. Please hit the dominoes. Yes! It worked! actually worked! That was awesome! Okay, I want to try next.
See? When we take turns, it's fun again. I'm proud of you both for calming down and fixing it.
Anna, you go next. I won't grab. I want to watch it roll again. Deal. And later you can do the big drop.
Volcano mode is gone. Now Mom has angel mode. The room feels safe again.
Thanks, Mom. Sorry, I grabbed.
Thanks for the kisses. Now let's play nice, okay?
Look! It's so fast! I'm making a racetrack. It's gonna turn here, then zoom over there. This button makes it go forward. This one makes it turn. I'm the driver. I'm in charge today. Tom, that looks fun. Can I play with you? I want one turn. I'll only drive slow, okay? No, Anna. I'm playing right now. You always take over. I don't want you to crash it. I'm not gonna crash it. I can be careful. You're not the only one who can drive. Just give it to me for 1 minute. No! It's mine right now. Stop pulling. The remote! Whoa! No, catch it! It hit the car. My car's face is broken. It's broken. You broke it. I didn't mean to. I swear I didn't mean to. Mom is gonna be so mad. I was trying to play. Why did I pull so hard? I told you no. You never listen. Now it's ruined. I want my car to be okay.
What happened? Why are you two screaming again? Please tell me the truth right now. Oh, wow. The car is dented and the remote is cracked. This is not a small problem, kids.
Volcano mode is back. The air feels hot. The kids stop moving like statues.
I'm very upset, but I'm not gonna yell. You two need to calm down and stay right here with me.
Okay, breathe in, breathe out. We can fix some things. First, no blaming. Just say what happened.
I grabbed the remote. We pulled it and it flew. I didn't want to share and I yelled. Then it broke.
Thank you for telling me. Now watch how we fix problems. We don't panic. We do it one step at a time.
This tape will hold it for now. It's not perfect, but it can work. Next time, you ask first, okay?
It works? Yes, it works. But we got lucky. We don't want to rely on luck.
New plan. You sit here as passengers and your brother drives the car around the yard. You can cheer, wait your turn, and take turns.
Okay, this is actually fun. Yeah! Faster, faster. But not too fast, please.
Angel mode again. The yard is full of giggles instead of crying.
Mom, you fixed it. Thank you.
I'm sorry I grabbed. Next time I'll ask and wait.
That's all I need to hear.
Dinner time. The kids are hungry, and the sauce looks like trouble waiting to happen.
Anna, look at this sauce. It's so red. I want to touch it. Just a tiny bit. It's like paint. Okay, I'm doing it. It feels sticky. Don't tell Mom. I'm just playing a little. Tom. Ew. You got sauce on me. Why would you do that? Because it's funny. Look, it's like a red sticker. Oh, you want to play? Okay, fine. If you do it to me, I can do it to you, too. Now we're even. Ah!
Now we're even.
Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. Now we're even. I'm gonna get you back. Take this. No! Watch out! You missed me.
I didn't miss. It's in your hair.
Are you kidding me right now? Why is there sauce flying in my kitchen? And why is it on my face?
Stop! Nobody moves. Nobody throws anything. Sit down, hands on the table right now. Look at this mess. Food is for eating, not throwing away. This isn't funny. Now I have to clean all of this. Volcano mode is the strongest right now. The kids can feel it. They don't even blink. Okay, I'm coming down. I'm still upset, but I can handle it. You two will help fix what you did.
Take some napkins. Wipe your faces, wipe your hands, and wipe the table in front of you. Do it carefully. Don't rush.
Anna, I think we messed up badly. I didn't think it would go everywhere, and I'm sorry I started it. Yeah, I shouldn't throw food. I was trying to be funny, but it's not funny now. I'm sorry, too.
We're gonna eat nicely now. Quiet voices, small bites. And if you feel silly, you can laugh after dinner, not with food.
Mom, can I have more rice?
Yes, you can. Thank you for asking nicely.
Mom, I'll sit still. I promise.
Thanks for turning it around. I love you, but I need you to respect the house. We're learning, okay?
Mom fell asleep. Should we clean? Yeah. Let's do it fast but quietly. I want her to feel happy. I'll pick up the toys. I'll wipe the table. Tell me if I miss anything. You're doing well. We can do this together.
Wait, did you two clean all of this?
Yes, Mom. We wanted to help. We're sorry about the mess earlier. We love you.
Oh, come here. I love you both. I'm really proud of you.